Imagine a home where every room breathes life, filled with greenery that not only looks beautiful, but also purifies the air and creates a calming atmosphere. Whether you're a plant lover or just starting your indoor garden, today we're diving into the perfect plants for every room in your home, along with placement and care tips to help your green friends thrive. Let's transform your living space into a lush, inviting retreat. Indoor plants have an incredible ability to elevate our spaces, making them feel vibrant, fresh, and inviting. But the secret to creating a harmonious green home isn't just about choosing plants. It's about knowing which plants thrive best in which rooms, where to place them for optimal health, and how to care for them to keep them happy and flourishing. In this video, we'll explore the best indoor plants for every room, from the living room and kitchen to the bathroom and bedroom. I'll also share specific placement tips and essential care practices tailored to each plant's needs, so you can create a healthy, balanced environment in your home. Let's start with the living room, often the central, most social space in a home. Plants here can add beauty, purify the air, and create a welcoming atmosphere. The key is to choose plants that are visually appealing and relatively low maintenance, so they stay looking fresh and vibrant. Some ideal choices are snake plants, Monstera deliciosa, and the fiddle leaf fig. The snake plant has tall, upright leaves that bring vertical interest and require minimal care while purifying the air. Monstera, with its unique split leaves, adds a tropical vibe and thrives in bright, indirect light. Fiddle leaf figs, known for their large, glossy leaves, make a bold statement and need bright, filtered light and some humidity. For placement, keep plants like fiddle leaf figs and Monstera near a window where they can receive filtered sunlight. Snake plants are more versatile and tolerate lower light, making them suitable for corners or farther from windows. Grouping plants of different heights and textures creates a lush, layered effect that adds visual depth to the room. Use plant stands or decorative baskets to elevate some plants, adding height and dimension. Water these plants weekly, but check the top inch of soil first to avoid overwatering, especially for snake plants, which don't require much water. To maintain humidity and temperature, keep these plants away from drafts and direct air conditioning or heating, as they prefer stable temperatures and moderate humidity. The kitchen is another excellent space for indoor plants, as it can host smaller, low-maintenance plants and even herbs that are useful for cooking. Plants here should be resilient, able to handle varying humidity levels and temperatures caused by cooking. Herbs like basil, thyme, and mint are both decorative and functional. They thrive in small pots on a windowsill with ample sunlight. Spider plants, known for their air-purifying abilities, are adaptable and easy to care for, while pothos, with its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, brings greenery and tolerates lower light levels. In the kitchen, windowsills are ideal for herb pots, where they can soak up sunlight and stay easily accessible for cooking. Consider hanging or mounting plants like pothos or spider plants to keep counters clear while adding greenery. The kitchen's higher humidity levels mean that you should check soil moisture regularly. Herbs will need more frequent watering, while spider plants and pothos only require occasional watering. Pruning herbs regularly encourages new growth, and trimming the vines on pothos keeps them manageable and lush. Moving on to the bathroom, this space has unique qualities that make it suitable for moisture-loving plants. Bathrooms often have higher humidity levels and lower light, so plants that thrive in these conditions are ideal. Ferns, like the Boston fern, love the humidity and add a soft, lush texture. The peace lily, with its glossy leaves and occasional white blooms, also enjoys the moisture in bathrooms. ZZ plants are another great choice, as they're hardy, tolerate low light, and thrive on neglect, needing only minimal watering. To place plants in the bathroom, consider putting them near the sink or shower, where they can benefit from steam. Shelves are another option for smaller plants, allowing you to make use of vertical space without cluttering counters. If your bathroom has a window, you may be able to add plants that require slightly more light, like peace lilies. Water ferns and peace lilies regularly, keeping their soil moist but not soggy. ZZ plants, however, need less water, so let their soil dry out before the next watering. Bedrooms are all about relaxation, so bringing in plants that create a calming, peaceful atmosphere is key. The bedroom environment is usually low traffic and stable, ideal for low-maintenance plants. Lavender, known for its soothing aroma, adds a calming presence, especially by the bedside. English ivy, a trailing plant that can be hung or placed on a shelf, purifies the air and adds an elegant touch. The snake plant is another good option for the bedroom, as it releases oxygen at night, enhancing air quality. Placing bedroom plants near a window is ideal for light-loving plants like lavender. English ivy can be hung or placed on a dresser to allow its vines to cascade beautifully. The snake plant is versatile and can be placed in dimmer corners if needed. Water lavender sparingly, as it prefers drier soil, while ivy and snake plants should be watered weekly, letting the top inch of soil dry between waterings. Bedrooms tend to be low in humidity, so consider misting your plants occasionally to keep them hydrated. For workspaces, consider plants that are visually pleasing and help reduce stress. The ZZ plant, snake plant, and philodendron are all excellent choices that are easy to care for and require minimal attention. The ZZ plant is highly resilient, making it ideal for people who may forget to water regularly. Snake plants are great for air purification, and philodendrons, with their trailing vines, add a lively touch to any desk or shelf. A ZZ plant or snake plant can be placed on a desk or near a window with indirect light, while philodendrons can be placed on top shelves where their vines can trail down. Waterwork area plants sparingly, as ZZ and snake plants do well with occasional watering. Philodendrons prefer slightly more frequent watering, but make sure the topsoil dries out first to prevent overwatering. These plants require low to moderate light, making them easy to integrate into any workspace. They also don't require high humidity, so they're ideal for an office setting. In children's rooms, you may want to include plants that are hardy and safe for kids. Spider plants, parlor palms, and Boston ferns are non-toxic and add a lively touch to any child's room. Spider plants are visually interesting with their arching leaves. Parlor palms bring a touch of elegance, and Boston ferns add a soft texture. Place spider plants on shelves where they're out of reach but still visible, and keep parlor palms on a dresser or table. Children's room plants need less attention, making them easy to maintain. Spider plants and parlor palms prefer indirect light, so place them near a window but not directly in the sun. Boston ferns enjoy humidity, so they thrive with occasional misting. Check moisture levels weekly, watering when the top inch of soil is dry. These plants bring freshness to a child's room without requiring constant care. In hallways or entryways, select plants that can handle varying light and are visually impactful, like rubber plants, pothos, and peace lilies. Rubber plants, with their thick, glossy leaves, are resilient and make a statement. Pothos are easy to grow, tolerating low light and minimal watering, and their trailing vines look stunning on high shelves. Peace lilies add elegance and can tolerate low light while helping purify the air. Place rubber plants and pothos near indirect light sources, like a shaded window or a hallway with some natural light. Peace lilies work well in dimmer spots, such as entryways. Water these plants weekly, letting rubber plants dry out between waterings, while peace lilies need consistent moisture. These low-maintenance plants bring life to transitional spaces, creating a welcoming atmosphere with minimal care. Finally, for larger open spaces or empty corners, try larger indoor plants like the rubber tree, bird of paradise, or fiddle leaf fig. These statement plants are perfect for filling empty spaces, adding height, and creating a focal point. Rubber trees have large, shiny leaves, and bird of paradise plants offer a tropical feel. The fiddle leaf fig, with its broad leaves, brings a touch of sophistication. Place these plants in large decorative pots to add to their visual appeal and elevate the room.